CCM okay say 7 people in person were convicted one was going to Ghanaian Court because of open defecation. Open defecation in a day. Why can you pay?
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the rich.
For a friend DJ Paco Rich, I had me a Paco Rich Studios now, and the Yabez in Komobi. Obini too, no bini bin wake in our sam. CCM okay say 7 people in person were convicted one was going to Ghanaian Court because of open defecation. Open defecation in a day. Why can you pay? Pete no botuma empuano, botuma bridge home. See, no comedy basis in everyone. Expert view.
Experts, no. We are experts on open defecation and another day.
But you see, yes, sanitation minister Park and about 7 years from you. But I mean, Mama can't send me intro before I ever started the Munkumi.
Okay.
Somewhere in Salt Spawn. And the mukro no enyim ase but and I could be a friend and I can so do chairs and do. Na nkofo a ho na watawa nyempoano. They love the shit for beachside. Na eyinim na why because we base public toilets is simpoano. Still public toilets no simpoano ho what's still? We benyempoano was still be there they go shit for. So Abrofobia why research bay na we be someone the CCA mo problem ankasa nye baze. Why you guys the shit from Puano? Na asama wade mo in there toilets in Wosia. First, ma won fa blocks in yen because they have this ritual and eye contact when you have with the sea waves almost some easy be my sarechma. Oba way biewa. And one the human private organs in Ankasano. Yes, shaman. Yakan for like we are always sitting on their happiness. Obi ho besha boxes. Or besha support and our boxes so we are besha bibia kan. Inti sabi why you as an Ankasano what churn? So they requested today one year glass between the toilets and the sea to maintain that eye contact. Now one son also one glass and one punch holes so that the holes from the sea side two more for one asi ye. Abrafo the work US wa maybe you.
Obey the number.
Baba BSC, why do you like nko water ye the mazi like I mean
okay, so my experience be. Me wo Eziama.
Yeah.
Wo Western region home.
Yeah.
Na all ye na call eyin wo make eyin atete.
Che wa so anyu won puano da.
Oh, manye a couple of times.
Wow.
I better me have friends. Since I'm to me Kenya wo.
Your favorite radio presenter
my ebu wo da. Eziama to be precise.
How I wish there the security cameras but one can say your content.
See some to me the madden because body
so what happened?
So mostly in Ekwa and then from a foot like you have the breeze and the thing also has this natural thing with nature. And if you're super you just use the water to na bibia clear also clean it deeper than Nancy used to them tissues now then. So that one is one of the reasons if you there normal people go to the place to go and do that. But at my age, with the kind of knowledge I've got, I don't think it is the best because one, the mad nuguma. Namna was carry nti na what say wa da nwa anwan ofi
why oil they say ibi na no manam no why akesi yo
ibi na manam na ye why oil
suffer tuna na if you know what they feed on I say come steady
to me, you know, I feel that on my as an urban sometimes you can share ye modernized one now. But put now one show but zone. But then outside no all my them free flown. It's I feel that is one of the reasons people do that. But then modernization to tell us that intimate Kenyama was what about to Abel Fontaine to under that.
Was what court what find
600 cities. There are Kenya outside. Watch.
But in blame me, landlord didn't be so Sebi was fear on fat toilets and count.
Oh,
honestly, a major problem.
I think any day, Paco, call hide Diana Sebi toilet in na chede maji din na mukutu baby mukuso baby na chede. Me at since no go.
Say no be as soon as carried away was.
No, but then it is one of the things say you there a copy dana that is like toilets. Okay, kitchen bottom man it's ne baby eye is ben. But then toilet. Nka ka kawa macha. Na say ni baby a.
Talking from experience.
Me say to me full ye to me ye go pe rabem. Na ye dey ya na to.
Only a DHL. But you see one Muslim check a car mentioning there. Me feel then call there me phenomena municipal assembly. One more and share my Danny rapper there. A recipia or your master there at the toilet.
Or your brow.
You understand? You see, so what around in a landlord in a within toilet in you are. In one moment or there was starts today. We'll find one another will jail one because what's ye fun burning him is bano say is ban bon.
Ye fun burn him there assault.
Atase. Inti so nyade. Today I seen him sakre na breaking him. Break only ye funim.
Yeah.
You understand? Aside from ye jano me our one pan no ya sebi binu mo toilet no one pass still. What's a one what be hwe ekoye seaside na. Imbesi afo was in poyes so but when a benyin kosoha
yeah
besia kosoha
yeah
na ozatami bi ozas so no ho de superman
yeah
na baby oya atete ni mpoyin de bokọ na nyimpa de seyilenye won poano na asochi ni bu no reba na ohwa onyim do asochi ni bodu ni nche na speed na akofom bet bon asochi na rush da wow so ahwe na nkasa de chawo tenate ni bin the experience. I saw about child 30 minutes. But there is another feeling as well. There's another feeling as well. I saw chini be bar. Monday you saw the particles in the video. Either sprinkle be. So if you have big balls, and that sprinkle it be cow balls. Yo, forget the orgasm. So I don't really blame. Yeah, fishing folks in the more, but Charlie, health-wise, and on way.
On your best.
In a CCA, so sanitation courts in Azaba. Into Kenyan Puano and Yini, brother. What about final?
Yam Puano Catin. Yeah, gatters.
Exactly.
River body.
Shanko for 2 years, why combine the powers of whole year?
As that way,
as our way,
like, as our way.
And you see. I don't cross out men notice so I there can we what sabi one read. Why's the what trying classroom I want locking?
I don't know me experience be is my be Paco and I put to Yako school. You break gates, everybody is happy. You break gates sent to no pay. Nay you for him to 2 years you should shed desk as Paco. But they be no swarm na. I don't hear overnight. On your come
Refu what be no so your home. But when a bean name na dry.
I don't hear dirty black.
Name that's a one no cover that no fresh. Yummy do be yogurt. It's your sour. Charlie, you guys should be careful. See,
yeah.
Watch it one hour. were openly like what terminal and Puano for Nangan. Into Sabi, which when your camion pecolodium, shower bagging. Now I'm about to what TV.
See them brandy.
At as
now, cream wash a green army.
I did that on the one man this friend won't you. Since yeah, people free one no more. I say where I was.
I say green army.
This is what's end this for one young plan. And this is pet WC. Why matter for you end this? It's a green army. It's a quany.
Why?
President Mahama wouldn't be happy with this, sir. But Santali,
we'll go 5 years when you must say.
But Santali will not be happy with this.
Why?
But anyway, mommy,
yeah,
opportunity to have one in Pano for in 1 minute.
But so say if in your Pana in the in your biaba, your view. On your 1 year, uncle, one shot, why yan was a grubber bag, why in Ewa. Then you view because if you are nice, he's a local tree, he said, I'm a home, but to nature there. So please, education is here. In your outsider, there's a lot of health risk. Is the one kasa na even one wobbin ben winina is the one two. It being there cholera osia. Yenina or be affecting. In a year so ya penam. Inti akato do kun be naze. Everybody be dinache den nam where the kanaka ye since or ponano and sana all about it chona nature the one saying the shit you eat. Yeah.
If you are in once maybe or if you been one or best ways banging do you. Where's the band so freshly made? At us, you know, I don't even know a proper day. Or pity been there spices good. And every area 400 chambra.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.